adorable? This is a modified Raquel Welch Play It Straight in the color Shaded Cream, which is SS2361. I'm gonna give this away today, so stay tuned. So if you like the style for yourself and want to check it out brand new, unmodified, you can find it at Wig Studio One. I'll put all of the links below this video, so if you expand the description box and just follow the link that says Raquel Welch Play It Straight at Wig Studio One, it'll take you out to the site. You can see the colors and the pricing. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And now wigstudio1.com is offering international shipping. And don't forget to visit the private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. So this style, Play It Straight by Raquel Welch, I have had this style and color before, but this has been modified by my friend Betsy. Yes, this is one of what I call Betsy's wigs. Betsy and I are doing a giveaway of this wig today. So all you have to do to enter to win this wig is to go below the video, expand the description box, look down through until you find the Rafflecopter entry link. If you click on that link, all you have to do is enter your email address. Be sure to enter an email address that you will check in case you're the winner, because that's how you'll be notified. The contest will be open for 1 week, and then we'll do a random drawing of the winner. But isn't this absolutely adorable? Play It Straight is a medium length, flattering shag style cut. Typically it would have a 7-inch fringe, which stretches a little below my chin. But Betsy, in all of her craft and creativity, added a, what I call now, the Betsy Baby Bang, which is a 3.5 to 4-inch bang. And it's super flattering. It always works well with a shag, because guess what? Shags are tons of layers everywhere. So now you have a fringe layer, you've got a little bit of a longer layer on the sides, then you have longer layers at the back. That theme carries out throughout this wig style. I love the flirty look of a shag. I love the wispy movement of a shag. I just like layers. I think they're super flattering. Layers are never gonna go out of style either. And now that Betsy added her baby bang, we're definitely seeing even more of a flattering look around the face. And I feel like it's really very, very wearable as well. So that appears to be about 3.5 to 4 inches. It features a full lace front and left monofilament side part, so you'll still enjoy the monofilament features. So if you wanted to do like a little bit of an up and over, pin it back, you're going to expose that gorgeous lace front. This color, this shaded cream, SS2361, is kind of a white or platinum base with some ash blonde highlighting, and then that on a, I want to say a light brown root. It is very brassy looking. The root is just meant to be slightly darker than the rest of the color. This is a soft shades, meaning it starts out a little darker and then graduates into the main color here. I love how you can tuck this. So I'm a big fan of tucking my shag style cuts. They're just easy to wear like this, super flattering. Keep using that word flattering because it's just absolutely the truth. You know, and you could even take this bang up even more if you wanted. All I like to do is just pinch it a little bit at the top. This will fluff the root up just enough to bring it up slightly if the bang is a little bit long. And if it still remains a little bit long, you can easily kind of trim that up. The other thing you could do would be to sort of just tuck it. I think it's tuckable on both sides, underneath the longer layers. There's so much you can do. This wig retails right around $292. So Betsy, how generous of you to share this with us. And good luck to everybody on the contest. Be sure to enter below. This has a lot of permatease, just so you know, and the cap does fit me very large. Just like a typical Raquel Welch, I had to cinch it in as far as it could go to accommodate a petite average circumference. Good luck, everybody, and thanks again, Betsy. We'll see you all real soon.